this is going to be the look we're going to be achieving today. Let's run into business, guys. If you want to see a detailed tutorial, very detailed of how I do my brows, I'm going to be leaving the link at the description box down below, so please check it out.
If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda.
Almost all products I'm going to be using today is going to be from the classic, guys. So you all go check them out. I'll be using this brush to blend the primer.
The doors OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together.
So that after that, I'll be using my classic refiler right here, and I'm going to be using the contour shade to blend it off.
Lonely, yes, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
I'm going in with this purple shade right here at the outer corner of my eyes. I'll just be packing that all on my eyes, guys. Guys, I feel I want to apply more primer on my eyes so that everything is going to sit, so everything is going to pop really well. So I'm just going to go back into that primer and I'll be applying it back on my eyes, guys. I'll be using my fingers to blend everything all together. Guys, you want to make sure you're blending your primer well to avoid awkward lines. So I'll be going back into that purple shade and I'll be packing it again on my eyes. Once I'm done with that, I'll be going in with this brush to blend it all together, to blend everything together, guys. I'll still be using this brush to touch the purple and to make sure everything is blended. Once I'm done with that, in with my NYX Swear by It palette, and I'll be using this color right here. I'll be using that color right after the purple shade, guys. I'm just going to be packing that on my eyes. Once I'm done with that, I want to go back into that brush I used to blend purple and go back into that shade and then blend everything together again. I'm going in with this pink shade right here. I'm going in with another blending brush, still on that purple shade, and I'll just be blending everything all together, guys. Alright, now if you notice, you see that I'm taking this purple a little bit above. I'll be going in with this the Warrior Juvia palette, the Warrior by Juvia, and I'll be using this the Owambe. I'll just be using that also to pack it right above that pink shade that I used earlier, guys. I just want to have this shimmery effect. Once we're done with that, I'll be going in with this shade from the classic palette, classic 42 color palette, and I'll be using that at the inner corners of my eyes. Guys, I'm also going to be going in with this shade from the Swear by It shadow palette. It's the same color with that shade I applied in the inner corners of my eyes. I just wanted it to pop more, so I'll be going back with this shade also. After that, I'll go back into this brush to blend everything all together. And I went back into that purple shade, guys. I feel the purple at the outer corners of my eyes is not popping well. I want it to pop really well, guys. So I'll just go back there with that purple shade. Hi guys, so I went offline to do the other side of my eyes and also to fix my lashes. Right now I'll be going in with my primer and I'll be using the classic primer. Yep. I'll be using this to prime my face.
Take that hot road and hop in.
And for my foundation, I'll be using the classic HD foundation in color 2. So guys, just in case you can hear the background noise, I'm so sorry. It's the fan I had to turn on, but heat wants to finish a girl. So I'm going to be using this.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate.
So guys, I'm going to be going into the classic spray, face spray, to spray my face. So that everything just going to sit in properly on my face. I'm just going to be applying some foundation on my neck to blend everything all together, guys. So guys, right now I'll be using my Elegant Pro concealer and I'll be using the shade Natural and Cotton. So I'm just going to be putting a little bit of natural, guys. Natural is just going to be chicken, small, tintily, nothing much. Then I'll be using more of the cotton. So I'll just be using the natural directly under my eyes.
Open up.
Then I'm going to go in with the cotton.
Complications.
Guys, let me tell you one secret. When you're using cotton as your concealer, once you are done applying it, you just want to wait for a while before you blend, so that it's going to dry a little on your face. I don't know of other concealer what you should do, guys. Just after you apply it, just want to wait for a while. Not too much, oh, just for a while, guys, before you blend everything together. But for my forehead, I actually don't wait. Once I apply pro concealer on my forehead, I blend it almost immediately. But for other side of my face, I'll just wait a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm going to be blending everything. This is after I waited for a while, guys. Like I said, don't wait for a while before you blend. I'll be going in with this Elegant Pro concealer in mahogany. This is a very dark shade, so I'm just going to be using a little as my contour. Now I'll be using this brush right here to blend my nose contour. So guys, I'm going to remove the darkness of this mahogany shade. I'm going to be using this lighter shade from Zikel powder palette and using the color bronze. Using the color bronze, that's what I'm going to be using, guys.
First impression.
Just to reduce the intensity of that mahogany shade, guys. Once I'm done with that, I'll be using my white powder. Just a regular white powder, and I'll be using my beauty blender to just put that on those places that I applied my pro concealer. And I'm not putting it too much, guys, just little. Blend.
Take that hot road and hop in.
So guys, I went offline to apply my Jabata powder, and for my lips I'll be going in first with this classic powder bronzer, and I'll just be applying that above my lips right here with my fingers. I'm going to go in first with this classic lippy in Out of Space. I'll be using this to line my lips first though, guys.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me, she say that she done.
I'm going to be going in with the classic lippy in hot flame. Classic lippy in hot flame, guys.
Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
We're done with the lips, and once I am done with them, I'm going to be cleaning off those excess powder I have on my face.
Follow me.
I went on to line my eyes with my Clever Cat eyeliner.
I will be applying that directly under my eyes. Once I'm done with that, I'll be applying my bronzer, and I'll be using my classic bronzer. I'll be mixing it with my Usher bronzer.
Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM.
Once I'm done with that, I'll be using my classic mascara, and I'll be using this at the bottom lashes.
Take that hot road and hop in.
Guys, and for my powder, I'll be using the classic powder in medium.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
I'm done with that. I'm going to be going back into my classic spray. So guys, I'm going to go offline and change into the Owambe look, and I'll be back.
Open up, open up.
So guys, this is the end of our tutorial, and just in case you notice this cloth is so big, this is for my mom and I had to borrow it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you learned something from it. This is an Owambe inspired look that I created for the classic challenge. I hope you liked it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button down below. I love you. Mwah.